Howdy. Welcome to Mr. Dave's Lawn Tips, Tricks, and Tobacco Dips. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to pressure wash a house. This house right here. We got some grime on the walls. Excuse me, ladies. Get this camera shut. We got some grime on the wall right over here. See? Right here. I don't know what happened. Something exploded. Take a look right up here. It's thick. We'll get it looking a lot better. And one of the first things you want to do is scout the location for things such as hornets, wasps, black widows, that sort of thing. So let's take a look around. They're up in corners at times. Well, take a look up here, Susie. I tell you what, look up there. We got us a live wasp nest. I'll tell you what I'm going to do about that. I ain't going to do nothing right here. That's what I'm going to do. You come across the wasp nest, you decide to be a smart guy and just blast it, you're going to wind up getting yourself stung. And hell, you might be out of work or something for a little while. Nobody wants that. Especially not you or your family. Hell. So skip it. Go to the Home Depot. Get you some wasp killer. Spray the sons of bitches. When they're gone, then you pressure wash that area. Till then, just work around. That's what you do. Oh, and hell, we're also going to get to use this right here. This extends to 18 feet. Got this with the Northern tool, the giraffe line. And haven't even hooked it all up, but we'll see how she works at 4,000 psi. We're only working with about, I don't know, 3,100 or so. If you take a look around here, up there it's pretty moldy, but my arms ain't that long, and I don't particularly like climbing up ladders and working on them. So I'll see how far that thing can reach. If not, I'll hire one of my underlings and have him get on it. So then we head around to this side. Same, more of the same, just tall. Now an actual giraffe might not even be able to reach up that high. So I don't know if the giraffe line is going to do it. I mean, I don't know how tall that is. I usually calculate it by my own height, which is 6'8", and just multiply that. Probably just round up to 7. How many of me's do you think can stand up here? Probably about 10 of us. 7 of us? What do you say? 7? Well, let's go 7. 7 times 7, I believe that's 49. So about 50 feet. The giraffe telescope is 18 feet. You add my 7 feet plus another, I don't know, 3 feet for my arms. That is 10 feet plus, well, 18. I don't think you subtract the part. Hell, probably reach up there about 10, about 30 feet, only about halfway. So, hell, I don't know what we're going to do. Worry about that later. One step at a time. Hell, I'll show you the pressure washer we're going to be working with. So I don't have to do that later. I can just crank it up when I'm finished with my wild turkey right here. Now, I don't condone drinking and pressure washing, but we're working with the Ryobi 3100 today, and it's got a Honda engine, and they're known for their quality. Got the overhead cam, GCV 190. You can put soap in there, but you know, not any kind of soap. You gotta get the special stuff. I don't know how well it works, but sounds like a bunch of hooey to me. Hogwash. Yeah, over here, got the air filter. Just like in most of your standard Honda engines, there's no primer bulb. You got the choke right here. Push it in for run. Click that on. You got the fuel line open. And at that point, you'll be ready to start the sumbitch up. But being that this is a pressure washer, spraying out water, first thing you want to do is hook up the hose and turn the water on. Turn on the water, run into the pressure washer before you start the pressure washer, or you might break the damn thing. Just like put oil in it. You know, don't put water in your gas. Basic stuff, folks. Just stick to it. That machine will run you a good long while. So finish what I'm doing here. Maybe finish what I'm doing here a couple more times, and then I'll give you a demonstration. All right. Talk to you soon. Let's get to work.